Have you ever dreamed of like an ultimate breakfast sandwich with like French toast, all of the breakfast meats and cheese, like with eggs and everything? Because we did it. We have made the ultimate breakfast sandwich, and I'm going to show you how to make it today. What is up, you guys? It is Carly here, and you're officially cooking with Carly. Today we're making a pretty unique breakfast sandwich. We love breakfast at our house, especially my husband, and I am always trying new things and trying to make like the best breakfast concoction ever. And this is his absolute favorite. It is a breakfast sandwich, so there's eggs, and he likes sausage and bacon, but you can use ham, you can do whatever protein you want. That's the sandwich that's sandwiched in between two pieces of French toast that have like cinnamon and sugar on the outside. So it's like salty, you got the sweet. It's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. This is one you're definitely gonna wanna make. So ingredients here are pretty simple. We just have 2 slices of bread, our proteins. We like Swiss cheese, but go for like shredded cheese or provolone or whatever you want, and our 2 eggs. We will also use a little bit of butter in our pan just so things don't stick, and then some cinnamon and sugar on the outside of our French toast. The best part about this is that it's all made in one pan, like at the same time. It's pretty cool. Let's go over here and I'll show you how to make it. First thing we're going to do is just turn on the stovetop to low heat and get some butter melting in our pan. So we're gonna go all the way down as low as it can go and get a little bit of butter melting in our pan. Just like that. Next, I'm just gonna crack our 2 eggs into like this little bowl and just scramble them up really well. And then once this butter's melted, we'll pour them in. We're going to pour in the eggs and then quickly dip our bread into the eggs and then flip it over. So we've essentially like made French toast, right? So you dip the bread and eggs to make French toast. So we're going to dip and then flip the bread. At this point, let's turn up the heat to like medium low, and we're just going to let these eggs cook. We're just gonna let everything sit here. And while it's cooking, I'm just going to sprinkle some cinnamon and sugar onto the backs of these French toasts. So the next step is to flip this entire like large omelet thing that has the 2 French toasts stuck onto it. Flip it all upside down. You'll know it's ready to flip when your eggs are completely cooked from the heat. Now it's time to flip. So the eggs are all cooked around here, so let's flip this bad boy over. Now that we flipped it over, it's time to load this up with our meats and our cheeses. So first, cheese is gonna go down onto the eggs, and then the meats are going to go on top of the cheese. We'll fold the edges of these eggs in and then fold our sandwich together. Okay. So that is one mega breakfast sandwich. Let's cut this in half here. And I'm sure you could already guess, this is by no means healthy at all, but it tastes absolutely delicious. Okay, now you need to just make this sandwich and come back and tell me if you think it's as good as we think. And if you enjoyed this video and these little breakfast hacks, I have like a million breakfast sandwich and breakfast hacks, you know, with breakfast foods, because we love breakfast food. Comment below and tell me if you want to see more videos like this, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.